Hey dear children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and you have completed yesterday's work, right? See, don't keep anything pending. If you keep it pending, it will be burden for you. You have to do all the work together and you'll cry. Oh, so better every day do your work, whatever you are getting homework or writing work, complete on the same day, in the same day, so that you will not get any burden after all, right? uh, do you read books, any other books like story books, any article, like any different poem, not from textbook? If you not, then start reading books. See, if you complete your work on time, you will have much time to give for some personal development like reading skill, writing skill. You can learn something good, you can know more story, you can develop your writing skill, all these things you can learn it. So I wish you everyone should start reading something new. Okay, I hope you will do. Yes. Okay, let's come to page number 13 in your worksheet. Let us read this unseen passage. Okay, the world's first calculator was developed in China. In which country? China. It has been developed in China. Very soon the Japanese also picked up the idea and developed a better calculator. So who picked the idea? Japanese, and they started developing the calculator in better way. In the in the 16th, this is 16, no, C is written but you cut S and write on X. 16th century, the Russians worked on it and improved it a lot. So in the 16th century, who worked a lot and improved it? Russian, right? The first electronic computer was built in 1946 at the University of Pennsylvania in the USA. In comparison to the present day computers, it was huge, clumsy machine. So earlier it was so big, that means huge means so big machine, clumsy machine. That means if you need computer, that means it takes so much place to keep it, right? But nowadays you can carry your computer anywhere, laptop, and so many gadgets are there nowadays, right? Okay, computers can calculate, okay, far more quickly than any human being can manage to do. So computers calculate very quickly, okay, that human cannot do. That's why we use computers and all this thing. Besides carrying out calculators, computers can do several other things. Okay, if you don't talk about only calculation, computers can do many other works. You can keep files, you can do keep your notes in it, you can watch film, you can do whatsoever you want to do. So many work are there, right? They can process data or the information according to the instruction given to them. Okay, fine, that's it. They can process data means computers can process data or the information, and they can keep information if you instruct them. Okay, this is all about passage. Let us move to its question answer. See, somewhere I have written short answer. Please consider, because I that means there is no such space also, and I thought to give you answer only, that's why. But you write complete answer. Fine. Where was the world's first calculator developed? The world's first calculator was developed, sorry I forgot to write was developed in China, right? When was the first electronic calculator written? But it is computer, right? Built up in 1946. When? Who written? You write down when. When and which countries people, you write countries people worked in calculators and improved. In 16th century, Russian people worked on calculator to develop. Fourth question, how are the present day computers different from the old one? See, I have written the old one, how it was, because you know today's how is the computer, right? So, and there was no space, so consider. Old computers was use clumsy machine, but today's computer are very slim, you can carry wherever you wish to. Fifth number, in which country is the University of Pennsylvania located? University of Pennsylvania located in the USA, United States of America. Okay, now let us move to writing. It's the dialogue writing that I have already taught you, and then given you information also. Fine. Write a conversation between two students about GK competition. I have written for it's like example. You can change the conversation in your own way. That is totally okay for me, right? First one, I have chosen two characters, Arjun and Kusum, right? Arjun, hi Kusum. Kusum, hello Arjun. Arjun again, how is everything going on? Kusum, all right, thank you. And yours? Arjun, seems little busy. Oh, I forgot to add one more. You write in Arjun, yeah, absolutely fine. Yeah. Absolutely fine. Thank you. Then you write, okay, yeah, absolutely fine, thank you. You seem little busy. Kusum, yes, Arjun, I am practicing for my GK competition. Then Arjun, oh yes, I too need to prepare. Kusum, so why are you waiting for? Arjun, great. Okay, thank you so much. So we then they both started working. See, that was only a demo, right? But you have to write by yourself. Now this, write a conversation between stranger and you about the hanging bridge, Jhulta Pool. You know much more about that. You can write it by yourself. Okay, try to write it. Conversation, how do you talk with a stranger about it? If you don't know information, please gather it, or you ask to your parents or relative, right? Okay, next is your grammar part, subject and predicate. As I told you earlier in my explanation, what is subject? Subject is that means sentence किसके बारे में बोल रहा है. For example, I am teaching, तो I am teaching is sentence, right? तो sentence किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? I is subject and rest of the words are your predicate. So let us find out. Underline the subject and circle the object. Oh, haircut object. Haircut object and write down predicate. Okay. Anna lifted the heavy basket. Anna lifted heavy basket. Fine. So Anna is subject and lifted heavy basket, it is your predicate. Could you please lend me your book? You is subject and rest of the words are your predicate. See, subject can be at the mid also, right? My brother is climbing a tree. My is subject and rest of the words are predicate. Now fourth one, can you smell the smoke? Can is predicate, smell the smoke is predicate, and you is your subject. Here is talking about you कि तुम smell कर सकते हो कि नहीं. I took the kitten home. Who took the kitten home? I. I is subject and rest of the words are your predicate. They damaged my car. They is subject and rest of the words are predicate. Right? See, subject वो होता है जो एक noun हो सकता है, pronoun हो सकता है, but not all nouns and pronouns are subject in the sentence, right? Again, I'm going to give you little information. For example, okay, this one. My teacher my teachers teach me well. I hope we are teaching well, right? Okay, my teachers teach me well. So my teacher is subject. हम उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं, टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं, दैट मीन. एंड बाकी जितने भी हैं वो ये सारे हो गए तुम्हारे प्रेडिकेट. ओके, फाइन. Okay, so here are some subject and predicate given, and we have to choose the correct subject. Subject already given in a sequence. We have to choose a correct predicate. After choosing the correct predicate from this column B, we will write in this space. Understood? Shall we go for it? Cherries. Cherries is a fruit name. So, cherries are sweet in taste. The knife is sharp. William Shakespeare, he is a writer, right? Was a famous play writer. So this is maybe new for you. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar, everybody know who is he, right? Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Right? The dog, what dog can do? Okay, was barking at the stranger. The cow, whistle. The cow is eating grass. Cow eats grass, right? Louis Braille. Yes, Louis Braille was a blind teacher, and that's why that lippy known as Braille. Okay, because he was blind teacher, and in his name we kept Braille writing. Okay, fine. The moon, then what is left? Shines brightly. All the numbers given here, right? Now you write down in this sequence. Now next task is write the opposite of these words using the prefix. Prefix means word से पहले लगने वाले word, that is prefix. On, you and un, im, in, miss, dish. One more you add I, ir. Okay? See, understand correct prefix to make opposite is misunderstand. MIS, misunderstand. Okay? Framed, unframed. Possible, impossible. Responsible, irresponsible. That is why I have added one more. Okay, irresponsible. Visible, invisible. Agree, disagree. Now it becomes your opposite word when you use some prefix. Okay, now let us move to next task, that is B number. Complete these sentences by using prefix for the words in brackets. So there are few words given, but you have to do some changes. Here I will show you comfort given, but I have written uncomfortable. Okay, he was sitting uncomfortable on his, okay, uncomfortably be also you can write, it's okay, on his seat in the train. He lost his book again. I don't know where he has misplaced. See, write down this option not given. Okay, place misplaced. Succeed unsuccessful. Then it will become opposite, na? Success unsuccessful. Okay, appointment disappointment. Sorry, I didn't miss. Appoint disappointment. Okay, employee unemployment, or unemployed also you can say, but an unemployment is correct here, correct option you can say. Next is your question bank. Describe the scene. See, I am going to read only. Okay, this is, it was homework for you, I hope you have done. Describe the scene outside Chaski's room early in the morning. Chaskit lives in Ladakh, a mountain area. From her window, one could see apricot trees in full bloom. Birds like magpies come around looking for insect. You can see in the very first page or paragraph. Okay, this answer you can get from the first paragraph of the chapter. Why did Chaski's grandfather get angry when she spoke to Abdul about her desire to go to school? Chaski's grandfather did not see any hope. He did not want her to be dreaming of something that he thought was never going to happen. Okay, that means जसकीत के ग्रैंडफादर जो थे वो ये नहीं चाहते थे कि वो ऐसा ड्रीम देखे जो ड्रीम कभी फुलफिल नहीं हो सकता उसके अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, फाइन. I hope you have done all this thing. I hope. Can I think that? Okay, let us see first. Chaskit lived in the village of Skitpoyul in Ladakh. Amali and Avali is the Ladakhi name of mother and father. Whenever Chaskit felt sad, Avali comforted her. Okay. The headmaster called a meeting to discuss how a building can, right, let it be, no changes. Okay, how a bridge can be built. Abdul made the headmaster to tell him about Chaskit's desire to study and ask him to help. This is all about your question bank. Also we have discussed seen, unseen, question bank, grammar, vocabulary, all these things. Now this chapter is over, right? Fine.